competitive era, it's LPG era, liberalization, privatization, and globalization era. In this competitive era, in our country, we are growing.
Don't talk.
We are in developing states, so that in many of the software industry are developing, and also many of the IT industries are developing and doing the business in our country, and also our companies, many of the companies like Wipro, Satyam and Infosys, TCS, these are the industries which are doing the business in a very successful way. So first we have to think, as it's a competitive era, they have to think what they have to think. The products as well as services, both equal important for industry. But why product is important? As it's a competitive era, so definitely to maintain the stability in the market, they definitely increase the innovativeness in their product. So to maintain the stability in the market, definitely improvement of product must be necessary, and also not only as the customers needs the better services, so definitely the IT industry must have focus on the services also, so that they can be satisfy their customers. So then the software industry and activity, not an industry.
It's only a 10 minutes presentation, remember.
The software industry and activity, not an industry. And how did the underdog become a tiger? What it means? It means how a company become so much effective in his activity, in his core competency. And prospects, moving of the value chain. How the company provide the proper value to their customers, so that the customers always be satisfied with the company's service.
Manila and my friend. My company focus on product. Why company focus on product, not than service? Because if company focus on product, that means product will be good. I want to compare with my friend. This laptop is Wipro. This laptop is Wipro, and the other laptop is Dell. Dell laptop product is very good than Wipro, because Wipro is not successful laptop today, and various times now brand positioning is very big for any industry, any industry and any company. Because I am a user of BSNL mobile, then I always want to use to BSNL in the maybe roaming, but complete. This is brand positioning, economic growth. If company
my benefits. I want to discuss causes of the problem that arise. Migrating innovative engineers skills. As we know that in our country we have got lots of engineering skills, but they are transferring to the other countries. So we need to stop them. With this lacking of spirit of experimenting with products, we are not doing so much R&D in our country because government not paying more for R&D works. That's why we are back. So we need to improve our experimenting work to improve our products in IT field. And we need rewarding those who take risk, as in larger amount, or we say doing this work which is benefit for the products. Government should need to come forward to give incentive who are doing much better and taking risk something more. And now I am calling Nafisur right.
As the topic concerns the IT industry, the IT industry advantage and disadvantage. Obviously, the IT industry is based on the service sector, and like that, the advantage in the flow side and the fun side. Because everyone is know that every action, every situation there is a positive and negative in a negative situation. Like that, the marketing potentiality. The IT industry, the IT product should have the marketing potentiality, which will create the brand image, will create the rapport in the mind of the customer. Like another thing, the first rank of the compatibility in the capabilities. Sorry, it is the IT industry, the IT product, which will create the first which create the image, which is the capacity to handle the customers. That is the first opportunity to the grow. Obviously, the IT industry is the which has the potentiality to create the opportunity to grow in a rapidly manner. That one is the end. The end is we can say that in IT industry there is requirement of service as well as the product. Because if I want to create the sound, like if I want to clap in my hand, there is requirement of my right hand also in my the left hand. Because it creates the good sound, my classical sound. Like IT industry is providing as well as the service as well as the product. You can say that the IT industry is required only 4%